Welcome to Instructional Technology, a podcast from the School of Education at High Point University. In this episode, we're going to be learning about Animoto. Let's get started. Here we are in Animoto. Animoto is a program that enables you to create, as it says, stunning videos. And it will look like you have spent hours, and what it will take you is about 5 to 10 minutes. Once you log in, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to scroll down to the very bottom, and you're going to need to click on Animoto for Education. When you click on Animoto for Education, a screen will come up, and you can apply for an educator account. This is why you want the educator account, unlimited videos for educators. So what it does is it does not limit your videos to 30 seconds. And you get several other features that you would normally have to pay for free of charge. So you get the Animoto Plus account for free. So you'll click Apply Now, and you'll want to put in your name and your school. And the grades that you teach, and the subjects that you teach. You will not need to list all of them, just list a few. And your school email address. And then you can put in a class website or blog if you want to, but that's not required. I'm going to put in bowsersbark.blogspot.com. And then I'm going to click Sign Up. Okay, what happens is your account is immediately approved, and you have a promo code. This promo code allows you to create 50 accounts for your students and colleagues. So you may want to save this promo account, copy it, do something with it, but for what we're doing, you do not need it right now. This is just kind of like an extra added benefit. So once we've signed up for our education account, we're ready to create a video. First thing that you do is you choose a style for your video. And if you mouse over one and play it, it will show you what it's going to look like. But you can change the style at any time. So I tend to just kind of pick one and go for it. This is brand new. I haven't seen this one before. It looks like it might be related to education. Some of these are new ones that haven't appeared before. I'm going to choose Color Fold just for fun. And if I click here, it would actually show me what it would look like. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to click Create Video. So now the program's going to load up. And my style is done. So the next thing I would want to do is choose music. And the music that I want to choose, I'm going to go, you can actually choose your music, and you can upload songs. And when you upload songs, you'll be uploading them from your computer. So it needs to be music that you have on your computer. And I'm not sure that you can, we'll see if perhaps we could upload a song from here. See how it won't let me upload a song? That's just not available. So you're not going to be able to cheat too often on this. And so what I do is I happen to just use songs from their library. So I'm going to go to the full music library, and I'm going to look for, let's see if I can, so, Love, let's see if this is the right one. I don't think that's it. See if I can find, this is the one I want. So I'm going to play this just to see what it would sound like. Perfect. That's exactly what I want. I want something to be kind of happy and upbeat. So I'm going to click Add Song. Now my song has been added. And now I can add pictures and videos. Now you can add these from all of these different sources. And that's what you will want to do. You'll want to add them from some of these different sources. You can also go to the image library, and what we're going to do for our example is actually use some of their pictures. And I'm going to pick some pictures of puppy dogs because I like puppy dogs. And so in order to select multiple items, I just hold down the control key, or if I'm on a Mac, the command key. And I'm just going to select all the pictures that I see down here of puppy dogs. So there's 3 of them, there's 4 of them, there's 5 of them. So I have 5 puppy dog pictures, and I'm going to add 5 items. So here they are. And now I can put them in any order that I want to. So you just drag and drop to put them in whatever order you want. And then what else you might want to do is add text. So I'm going to put in a header, and I'm going to call this Puppies on Parade. Notice I don't have very many characters, and it counts down for me. And then I'm just going to put in here something silly, woof woof, just to kind of show how this is going to look. And it puts it right here. Well, I wanted this to be the title, so I'm going to just drag and drop it to the beginning. And now I'm going to add just a couple more. This is going to be Bad Hair Day. Ooh. See if I can type correctly. And take me to the spa. Save that. And I want this one to go right before these little doggies that have kind of the funky hair. And then I'm going to add another one. It's going to say Silly Pet Tricks. And then it's going to say, do not try this at home. And that's going to go right here before the little doggy's walking on this, what looks like he's walking on a tightrope. And then I'm going to do one more that says, the end. And this time it's just going to say, woof. So if I have really small, a small amount of text, then I can use the little add text box. If you had a large amount of text, then what you would want to do is you would want to actually create a PowerPoint slide, save it as a JPEG, and then add it from your computer. So that's another way that you can add pictures and videos. But for the most part, what you would do is this basic kind of thing. Now that I've done this, I can go up here to Advanced Settings, and I can give it a title, and this is going to be Puppies on Parade. And I can give it a description, and this is a sample Animoto video. And you can hit credits and branding, you can have credits, put some different things on here if you want to. That's not required. I'm going to save that. And so now what I'm ready to do is hit Produce Video. Now it's going to generate a rough preview. I'm going to skip that and go ahead and go to Skip and Produce. So now it's producing the video, and while it's producing the video, I can go and do other things. And it tells me, you can stay here or navigate away. We'll email you when it's ready. So I'm going to go back to my videos, and when I click on my videos, what I can do now is I can take a look at an old video that I've done before. Right here it is. And if I click on the little settings thing, I can edit a copy, I can trash it. Okay, those are the things that I can do. I can also click on the video itself, and it will take me to an enlarged version of the video where I could play it, pin it to Pinterest, like it on Facebook, post it to Facebook, Twitter, email it, all these different things that I can do, download it, delete it, people can make comments on it. This is just really amazing, all the different things that you can do. But I can also click on sharing, and this is what you're going to want to do to turn it in and to post it to your wiki. You're going to want to click embed code. Then you're going to want to copy the code, and once the code is copied, you will go to your Google site. So I'm just going to go to our class Google site and just show you how we would put it in. And once the Google site comes up, I'm just going to click on the Animoto page. I'm going to click Edit Page. I'm going to find a nice little place to put this video right here. And just like we did with our Prezi, we go to the HTML part and we paste the code in. Then we hit Update. I'm going to center it. I'm going to save it. And now I get a little message. Click Load Anyway. There's my Animoto video, and it's ready to play right here on the site. So those are all the basic things that you need to do in order to create an Animoto video.